Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today's recipe is so quick, budget and kid-friendly, and you'll feel great about feeding your family a well-balanced meal with protein, veggie, and a good carb, and you'll be in and out of the kitchen in no time at all. Let me show you how, and let's get started. Over high heat, I'm gonna start by browning 1 pound of sirloin. I'm not gonna add any oil, just gonna add half an onion, half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of black pepper. Mine is ground very coarsely, so I added half a tablespoon. If yours is fine, add a little bit less. I'm gonna add also 1 teaspoon of allspice and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You're gonna break the meat, cook with the spices and the onions until cooked through. This is what you're looking for. The meat is cooked through and the onions are translucent and caramelized nicely. Now it's time to add the tomato paste, and I'm gonna add about 6 ounces of tomato paste. You're gonna cook the raw edge on the tomato paste a little bit. So mix it in with the meat and try to cook it for about 2 minutes. Now you're gonna open 2 bags of frozen peas and carrots, 16 ounce each, and I'm gonna add them on top of the meat, mix them in. And of course, you're not gonna defrost the peas and carrots or anything, just add them right out of the freezer. You're gonna add a good amount of boiling water, about 1000 milliliters of hot boiling water. Let it come back to a boil, and then you're gonna let it simmer on low heat for about half an hour or until the tomato paste and the sauce thickens nicely. You can adjust the seasoning if you need to, but literally the dish is done. You're gonna let it simmer, leave it alone for half an hour, and during this time you're gonna be making the awesome rice and vermicelli recipe that I have for you on my YouTube channel. Check it out. I'm gonna add a link in the description box below. This is what you're gonna serve your peas and carrots with. It's an awesome and easy rice recipe that's a kid pleaser. Everybody likes rice and vermicelli. I hope you're gonna give it a try. The sauce on the peas and carrots is thickened and it's ready. The rice is ready. And I'm about to serve this dish. Family style, I serve it with some green peppers. I hope you give this recipe a try. It smells amazing, it's so easy to make, and the kids really love this dish. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And until next time, bon appétit!